Hey guys.
Hi guys. Today we're gonna have it about Mother's Day gift.
So every year they normally make in the school yung own mother's gift nila. Last year, I was not here. Ano yung gift mo sa akin last year? Napakita mo muna. Last year, wala ako dito. I was in the Philippines nga. So, I spent the last Mother's Day of my mom last year. So, last year, wala ako dito. Ito yung ginawa niyang gift para sa akin. So, this year, nandito ako. Nasaan na?
Okay, it's here now. So, it's kind of,
Should I open it?
yeah.
Wow! Oh, wow! Ang ganda naman! Look at this! Guys, ang ganda, oh!
It's like similar to this one.
You make this one yourself? Similar
This
with
was
the last
really
year.
hard, Nay.
Oh, nakalagay dun yung name ko. Kita nyo, Ria. Kita ba? Yan.
Okay,
And
and
then,
there's a box.
wow! Ang ganda ng box. Ang shishal.
And it's red.
So, it's red, is of course, obviously, Mommy's favorite. Aww!
It's like what you want to do with me.
NAR Philippines. Ganito siya, guys. Oh, yung nasa loob ng box. NAR Philippines.
I put it in English for you.
To the zoo. Cooking. Swimming. To the, ano to?
Bioscope.
Bioscope.
Cinema.
The cinema. Girls' night. Tuturuan na ba kita ng uminom? Movie night. Oh, we're gonna do movie night today.
Crafts.
Crafts. Doing.
Yeah, that's like do crafts.
Kaya nga. So, in Dutch, I'm reading it in Dutch. Crafts. Doen.
Doen, not
Doen.
doen.
Doen. Nag-i-improve na yung Dutch ko, guys.
No, it's not.
Barbecue in.
Barbecue.
Thank you.
BBQing. I'm
Love
gonna
you.
keep the box.
Gonna keep the box. So, nakakatuwa tong mga bata dito, guys. Alam nyo, every Mother's Day or Father's Day, they're doing their own gift, like handmade, ang mga bata sa school. Not at home, sa school kasi
Yep.
hindi nga uso
And
dito yung
it's not
project.
easy.
Yeah, it's not easy, but it's good, no? It's more nice. I appreciate more na ganito yung ginagawa niya as handmade. Yun lang. Bye-bye! Alex, say bye-bye! Bye! Happy Mother's Day pala sa lahat ng mga nanay. And pag may nanay pa kayo, just tell them how much. So, yun na nga. Kung nandiyan pa ang mga nanay nyo, your mom is around, make sure make them feel special. Actually, not only in Mother's Day, every day. Kahit hindi Mother's Day, make your mom feel special, extra special. Kasi hindi biro ang mga pinagdadaanan ng mga nanay. Anyway, yun lang. Kasi ako, last year, medyo malungkot kasi I spent my Mother's Day in the Philippines kasama si mama ko. Hindi ko kasama si Ale kasi naiwan siya dito last year. It's a bit tough. It's a tough situation na nangyari sa amin. Although na thankful ako na kasama ko yung nanay ko that time last year. Anyway, guys, happy Mother's Day to all. Sa mga nanay, sa mga, kasi iba-iba namang, how you call it, pamamaraan ng pagiging nanay. Hindi naman porket wala kang anak, ibig sabihin, hindi ka na pwedeng maging nanay. Yun lang. Bow! Bye!
Bye, guys.
Bye!